Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of the Language Lab. Today I'm showing you a real band 7.5 essay from my student Muhammad Ahmad who scored an overall 8.5 in IELTS. We will break down this essay paragraph by paragraph showing why it scored 7.5 in writing, and I'll explain how you can use these strategies in your own essays. Notice the color in the document. Each color highlights something important, and here's what they mean. Green means advanced vocabulary, blue linking words or cohesion, yellow strong examples, red rhetorical questions, purple topic sentences or main ideas. Now, coming to the introductory paragraph. The essay starts with a strong topic sentence. In purple, the 20th century has been crowned the century of scientific innovation. Green highlights show advanced vocabulary like single handedly, massive price tag. Blue highlights are linking words such as however, for example. Finally, the essay gives a clear opinion at the end of the introduction. The main focus of the argument is whether improving people's lives should be the main target compared to other goals. This tells the examiner exactly where the essay is headed. Now, if we talk about the body paragraph 1, which talks about the third world countries, it begins with the topic sentence in purple. Humankind has been facing new issues since the dawn of time. Green highlights show strong phrases like without a question and day to day lives, while blue highlights show linking words, for example, furthermore, yet, and yellow highlights show real life examples. Third world countries like mine suffer from illness like polio, while the red color is used for a rhetorical question. If we can't look to improve the lives of our brothers and sisters, how can we expect to achieve greatness? This grabs the reader's attention and adds impact. Now, if we talk about body paragraph 2, which is talking about environmental issues, body paragraph 2 focuses on pollution and daily life. The topic sentence in purple introduces the idea uh, pollution has also run rampant in poor countries like Pakistan and India. Yellow highlight Yellow highlights show examples. Green shows advanced words like day to day breathing, difficult, difficulty, difficult, and blue shows linking words. Okay, not only this, and red highlights the rhetorical question. Will you spend your paycheck to ensure your family is living healthier or spend it on a luxurious item? This paragraph strengthens the essay by connecting science funding to real world impacts. Now, if we talk about body paragraph 3, which talks about the global problems, body paragraph 3 expands globally. Purple highlights show the topic sometimes moving on from third world countries to the new problems faced globally. Green highlights are phrases like painstaking reality and growing trajectory, growing trajectory. Then, if we look at other words like blue shows cohesion in addition to furthermore, yet, okay. So these shows cohesion. And while yellow highlights give examples of serious illness like HIV or AIDS have no proper treatment. And apart from that, this paragraph shows the essay's range of ideas and depth of analysis. Now, if we come to the conclusion, finally, the conclusion summarizes the essay. Purple shows summary phrases. Okay, the purple shows the summary phrases to summarize and conclude my argument. Green highlights show strong vocabulary, positive, correlates to the lives of humans, and hone their intellectual prowess. And apart from that, blue shows cohesion, like the words that have been used, like hence, and yellow repeats the main idea of quality of life. The conclusion restates the opinion clearly and leaves the reader with a strong closing message about basic human rights. So that's how a structured essay with clear examples, vocabulary, and cohesion can score band 7.5. If you want to achieve similar results in writing or overall IELTS, join my premium one-on-one IELTS coaching program. Limited seats available. Check the link below or DM me IELTS to enroll. See you in the next video.